How to move photos from files to photos gallery on Android. Sometimes our photos stay hidden in the files application and don't show up in the gallery. So if you do not move them properly, they won't appear in albums, apps, or backups. So let's just fix this and organize the photos the right way. So when you open up the files application, or the file manager on our Android and go to the folder where our photos are specifically located. So you can go to the downloads folder, the WhatsApp images folder, the Bluetooth folder, Telegram, etc. Basically find it up, go ahead and find the folder, and you can just go over and long press the particular folder or the photos that you want to move. So go ahead and find that particular photo. You can hold it up, and once you do so, you can basically look out for the move or the copy option. Tap on it, let's say copy, and once you have copied it, you can go to the DCIM folder or the pictures folder available on your device, and basically go ahead and tap on copy here and confirm it up, or tap on move here, and the photos now will be appearing on your gallery app. You can just go and do so. This is one of the way possible here. Or if not this, you can open up the gallery app and you can pull down to refresh or restart your phone, and gallery will rescan and show up the new images on your device. Apart from that, you can just go over and open up file manager. Once you open up file manager, you can just go over and look out for the option for show hidden files. Tap on three dot for that and look out for show hidden files option available. If you can just go over and enable that option, this one right here, show hidden system files, turn it on. And once it is done, you can just go over and find and delete the no media file in the folder, and can restart your phone once it is done, and then that file will hide photos from your gallery completely, and that should work out for you. You can use the DCIM folder for camera photos, use picture folders for downloads and edits, and create folders for screenshots, social media, and work as well. And that's how we basically move photos from files to gallery and organize them very easily on Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.